So today, 27th, it's Monday, February. I'm going to go just do a review. I was watching the markets today, didn't take any trades or any positions. Was waiting for price to push up into premium. I'm literally just going to go through what I see in the market first time around. So bear with me. So the reason why I'm assuming price will push it up is it's in the discount here. Price from this low to this high, it's in a deep discount. I still see sell side wanting to get taken because dollar is bullish. So I don't expect price to push all the way up here for me to sell down here. No, I just think that price needed to pull back anyway. From, if you look at the 1 hour, from this high here to this low, price could potentially push back up into here. If not, we could drag from this high to this low, and price has already pushed into this fair value gap here, and it's taken buy side liquidity here. So you see that there. I'll keep it on for now. So yeah, it's pushed into a premium equilibrium to get this buy side liquidity. There is that fair value gap there. That price has tapped into nicely. Also, if we take a look at the dollar, the way it reversed, so it pushed above, came down, took out buy side here, dropped lower, tapped into Thursday's new daily opening gap here. So basically Fridays, because that's where gaps opens, and then Friday. So that was nice. If you actually take a look at the 1 minute, literally as soon as it went into it fully, that's when it reversed. So whoever went long for there and had a target there, that's really nice. On the 5 minutes, nice as well. So let's just look what this push was doing down here. So Monday, so this would be 6 AM for me. Price pushed up here, took out buy side, dropped lower, took out market structure shift here, bounced into this fair value gap, and also the new weekly opening gap. It broke above, broke below, and came resistance. There's also this here. So there's a few things. There's this BISI here, buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. That showed support. It then broke lower to show resistance. There's also this volume imbalance here that then showed support once and then showed resistance, and it pulled lower. And then I saw it bounce, where is it? On the hour, I drew a fib from the bottom here to the top, pulled lower. This, where is it? Yeah, sorry. This is a BISI again. This is a discounted PDRA. And the price is just closed below that, and it's closed below now, so I could head lower here. Let's get that consequent encouragement on there. Let's make sure it is neat on there. It shows on there, so that's 636. There we go. So keep an eye on that consequent encouragement of the gap there. So if that shows support, then it could head up towards these relatively equal highs and this sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. So we take a look at EU. Actually, let's go on the daily quickly for dollar. If we're looking at this consequent encouragement of this wick, look on the 1 hour. Price has showed support here. So I want to see what price does around this consequent encouragement. If it shows support or if it breaks down and shows resistance, then we could be heading lower. And on the daily as well, it's tapped into this consequent encouragement of this daily wick nicely, pulled lower. Then is this faking people out to go short to then take out relatively equal highs here, relatively equal highs, buy side liquidity. So we want to run into this volume imbalance and this daily fair value gap there as well, potentially. So we take a look at the intraday trades that are spotted here. So we're looking, again, I only trade 7 till 10. So the London kill zone, the New York kill zone. So let's just map this out. There. And there. So here, dropping down lower. There wasn't exactly a trade that I saw apart from this one here. So we see it's dropping down lower. We see this drop here. Takes out this sell side imbalance. Then it's left a high. This is not clean for me, but it's left a high here. And it's also left that high there, market structure shift here. So it pushes up, market structure shift here. It then leaves that imbalance here, fair value gap, and then price trades into it, but it also leaves a nasty wick. So depending on where you had your stops, if you wanted to go long. If not, for me, it will sit on my hands for the day. There's this here. So if you did want to go long for this buy side liquidity here, you see drop down here, drop, push up, fair value gap, multiple times to go long. Then after the New York kill zone closes, taps into the dollar tapped into that daily opening gap, which is Thursday/Friday. It then broke lower, pushed up, and then broke down again. So this is a bearish breaker where price is rejecting this quite nicely. Can't find the consequent encouragement of that. Price is rejecting that consequent encouragement nicely. Just closes above by like a half a pip or so, and then drops down lower to take out these lows and tap back into that fair value gap that we saw on the 1 hour. So that's pretty much all I saw for today for EU, and that's all I trade is EU. I did take a look at GU as well. And if we see, this is a nice entry. So the London kill zone is 2 till 5, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it is. So drops down lower. This is a really nice entry drill. So it drops lower, takes sell side there as well. Pushes up, displacement, market structure shift, taps into, nice. Fair value gap, which lines up with a nice discount. Rides all the way up to this buy side liquidity. And yes, basically that buy side liquidity would be my target. So that's a nice trade for GU. And I just look at GU for SMT divergence. Where could we head in next for the dollar? I want to see how the new daily opening gap looks. If this shows support again, then could be heading up. I also want to see if we are heading up, this just shows support. So we see there it broke, showing resistance, broke lower. I want to see it break up, show support, and then we'll be heading towards the new weekly opening gap again, would be the first draw liquidity for me. So yeah, not too much for today. This is just, I'm making it just for me, these videos. But everything sort of happened. This is a nice move here. Broke lower, didn't get up to that fair value gap, but then broke again into that nice bearish breaker. but nothing that I saw during the London kill zone, the New York kill zone, sorry. So yeah, cool.